Welcome to our guide on custom packaging boxes. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about custom boxes. What is a custom packaging box? First off, what is a custom packaging box? A custom packaging box is a folding carton made from paperboard material, designed to package, store, and ship products safely while promoting a brand. What are the types of custom boxes? The next topic of discussion is what are the types of custom boxes. Custom folding cartons. Let's start with custom folding cartons. These are lightweight paperboard boxes and are a popular choice for retail products like cosmetics and electronics. Custom display boxes. Next up, we have custom display boxes. Custom display boxes are paper-based packaging containers designed to highlight products at points of sale, such as store shelves or counters. Custom mailer boxes. Custom mailer boxes are self-assembling containers ideal for e-commerce and subscription services, ensuring secure shipping while offering brand opportunities. Custom corrugated boxes. Now, let's talk about custom corrugated boxes. These are made from multiple layers of fiberboard, giving them extra durability and making them ideal for shipping heavy items. Custom food boxes. Custom food boxes are specifically designed to maintain freshness and meet food safety standards and are commonly used by restaurants, bakeries, and food delivery services. Custom subscription boxes. Custom subscription boxes are all about creating a tailored unboxing experience. They often include branding elements that enhance customer engagement and make the experience memorable for customers. Custom shipping boxes. Finally, we have custom shipping boxes. Custom shipping boxes are built to be durable and are specifically designed to protect products during transport. Each type serves a unique purpose, so choosing the right one depends on your product and business needs. What industries use custom boxes for packaging their products? Custom boxes are used by multiple industries mentioned below. Retailers use custom boxes to boost product visibility on shelves and ensure safe transit. Food industries rely on custom boxes to maintain freshness and ensure safe delivery. Cosmetic boxes provide safe storage and act as a branding tool to attract customers. CBD boxes protect sensitive products from environmental factors like light and moisture. Candle boxes prevent breakage during storage and shipping, ensuring product quality. Game boxes organize components effectively, making products user-friendly. What materials are custom boxes made of? Now we'll uncover more about what materials are custom boxes made of. Custom boxes are made from eco-friendly and sustainable materials, including a corrugated fiberboard, cardboard, craft paper, or cardstock. Paperboard, a rigid material. Cardboard is the most commonly used due to its affordability and lightweight nature. What styles do custom boxes come in? Custom boxes come in multiple styles such as mailer, regular slotted carton, half slotted carton, straight tuck end, reverse tuck end, or tray and sleeve. Each of these styles serves a specific purpose, and I'll highlight the most common ones in a moment. What printing methods can be used for custom boxes? Next are the printing methods for custom boxes. Printing methods that can be used for custom boxes are digital printing, flexographic printing, screen printing, or lithography. You can choose any print technique that suits your package needs and demands. What are custom boxes used for? Let us move to the key uses of custom boxes and why they're essential for businesses today. Storage and organization. First, custom boxes are designed for safe storage and organization. They keep products secure, protecting them from physical damage. Next, custom boxes are a powerful tool for branding. By incorporating logos, graphics, and even interactive elements like QR codes, they help build brand recognition and foster customer loyalty. Custom boxes also play a crucial role in product display. At retail points, they're designed to catch the customer's eye, making your products stand out and boost sales. Packaging. Custom boxes are used to protect products as they are made from durable materials like corrugated fiberboard, which protects against damage during shipping and handling. Shipping and transportation. Finally, custom boxes ensure safe and secure shipping and transportation. They minimize product movement inside the box while ensuring safe and secure delivery. What are the benefits of using custom boxes for your brand? Now, we'll discuss the benefits of using custom boxes for your brand. The advantages of using custom boxes include product protection. Custom boxes offer enhanced security for your products. With features like locking mechanisms and custom inserts, they ensure your items stay safe during transit. Brand recognition. Custom boxes allow you to showcase your brand identity by adding your logo, brand colors, and unique typography. Brand differentiation. Custom packaging helps you tell your brand story by incorporating personalized designs and styles and using eco-friendly materials. Customer experience as well. Designed custom boxes create a lasting impression with visually appealing designs that attract and build customers' trust. Eco-friendly packaging. Custom boxes are made from recyclable materials like craft paper to reduce waste and carbon footprint. Custom boxes offer product protection, brand recognition, differentiation, enhanced customer experience, and eco-friendly appeal. How to design custom boxes for product packaging. To design custom boxes for product packaging, we have mentioned a simple 5-step guide to designing custom boxes. Determine the purpose of the packaging. Choose durable and eco-friendly materials. Select a suitable style for the product. Incorporate brand elements like logos and graphics. Add user-friendly features such as inserts and compartments. Follow these steps and design a custom box to enhance the brand presentation and protect the product during transit. Things to know before ordering custom packaging. For our final section, we'll explore things to know before ordering custom packaging. Before ordering custom packaging, consider the factors mentioned below. Our custom boxes store a variety of products like toys, apparel, and food. Our custom boxes come in multiple shapes and styles to fit product needs. Our custom boxes made from laminated cardboard provide moisture resistance. Our custom boxes are available at wholesale rates with varied designs. The price range of custom boxes depends on size, design, material, and finishes. Custom boxes offer the perfect blend of protection, branding, and sustainability. Ready to enhance your product packaging? Contact us today. Thank you for watching this video on custom boxes. We hope this information helps you choose the best packaging box for your products.